So, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a video that a few people have been waiting quite a while for. Today it's going to be how I edit my Instagram titles for my workouts. So before we get started, don't forget to like, and if you are new, subscribe. By the way, I am notorious for robbing pint glasses from pubs. This is one of my latest ones, a nice Corona one. Sorry. So basically what I've done is I've already screenshotted the bit from a video that I wanted from the workout. I've already put it through Lightroom. I will show you before and after, and then I will show you how I get the title on. So basically I'm going to put that somewhere here on the screen, so I will just readjust myself to give it enough room to go there. So basically I'm going to screen record it and then put it so it's sort of live as I do it. Like I said, I've already put this through Lightroom. So here is the before and here's the after. Basically, it just makes it a bit more brighter and more sort of stand out on the page as you're going through. In my gym, it's really bad lighting, as you'll see from this actual workout that I'm about to show, because there's just random lights everywhere, so there's dark spots around the gym, and it really affects my videos. So yeah, essentially what I've done is I've put the brightness up, put the contrast up, put some shadows in there just to make things stand out a bit more, and yeah, it just looks a lot more sort of stand out on my page. So now we'll go on to actually putting the title on my photo. So I use this app called Snapseed. I found this on, I think it was just on a YouTube video, I just came across it, gave it a go, and yeah, it's really good. So first of all, you open it up, open for a photo. For whatever reason, it puts them in the opposite order that they are in your photo album. So if you've edited one, it will usually be the next one in. So you click on that, and it comes up with the photo. Once you've got it into the app, you go to tools, then you want to go to text. So this was a push workout, so I'll type that in capitals. And then basically what I want to do is I want to find a gap that I can put this in, but so that I can overlap almost my body over the text so it looks like it's behind. So what I need to do is just fit it in somewhere that there's going to be enough of the P showing and it all fits in. So that looks about right. So then you want to hit the tick. Then you go to the squares at the top with the arrow sort of scooping over. That's basically the layers. Then you press View Edits, hit the text, and then the brush with the square. And essentially you want to have it on 100 text, so that basically acts as like a brush and you are brushing it in. Once that is all done, you then want to put it down to 0, which acts like a rubber. So you rub out anything that is sort of overlapping what you want it to be hiding. So then you put it back up to 100 and then just fill in the gaps around your body, like so. Doesn't have to be quite exact, because once you zoom out, it doesn't really show that bad. Just make it nice and smooth if you can. So now that you zoom out, that is simply how I do my titles. So then you hit the tick, hit the backspace, and it is ready to export. Simple as that. I mean, I think this app has a lot of other different uses as well. Like, as you can see, you can actually edit in this, but I just prefer to use Lightroom as I got used to using it. But yeah, there seems to be a few different things that you can do on this and not on Lightroom, such as this perspective. I'm not quite sure what that is. But yeah, it's as simple as that. That is how I do it. So then press export and then export again. That goes straight into my camera roll, and then I can whack it straight into my editing app, which is called LumaFusion. That is an app that I paid £30 for. Essentially, I only have an iPhone and an iPad. I do not have a Mac.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The editing on. So I pretty much most of the time edit on my phone. Every now and again I get my iPad out and do that. but it saved me 1,500 quid from getting a Mac instead of, you know, £30 for an app. So I gave it a chance. I did a lot of reading up on it on YouTube and things like that. So yeah, it saved me 1,500 quid at the end of the day. This edit as well for the title was quite a basic one. Sometimes I like to mix it in between different objects. So I have done some in the past where it's gone sort of in between my legs and came back out the other side. I'll put that up on the screen here. But yeah, that was a very basic one. Just one that I had to get doing anyway. This video will be up on Friday. You'll probably be seeing this video on Sunday, so if you've not already seen it, go check it out on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, follow me. It's GW_fit. There is a link in the bio below to Instagram, Twitter. Go check it out. I hope that has helped everyone that has wanted to know how I've been doing my titles recently. If you want, download the app, it's free, Snapseed. I put a link to it in the bio. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but it's definitely on Apple. If you would like me to do a video on how I edit a whole video, then let me know in the comments below, because I'm more than happy to help out people. I've done in the past, even things as basic as just getting music on without being copyrighted. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed that and found it pretty easy. It's quite simple, it takes literally 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to shuffle back into the middle now that I'm not using my phone. But yeah, if you enjoyed that, drop it a like. If you're new, subscribe. There's going to be a lot more videos coming. I'll see you in the next one, guys.